Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this price prediction and analysis on Space ID. Perhaps one of the first ones on YouTube, which is really good. I'm just kidding, of course. But yeah, I wanted to take a look at Space ID after the Binance Launchpad launch yesterday. It was a pretty big launch. The volume right now is also huge. I think it's over 500 million or something. Over 700 million. That's absolutely crazy. At a 150 million market cap, by the way. So huge launch. This was the first Binance Launchpad in market circumstances which could actually be considered as bullish. So we in the community we already talked about Space ID. Quite a lot of people participated in the Signal group. If you want to join the Signal group, by the way, it also has an exclusive chat room where we discuss launches like this. Check out the links in the description or in the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join that. But yeah, I participated as well in Space ID. I think most of you did. A lot of people participated. Like over $1 billion was actually subscribed in BNB. But I subscribed with like 3 BNB and I got like 30 tokens. So $15 worth of Space ID because so many people participated. But the return is absolutely amazing. I mean, if you compare this with at what price we were able to buy that, it's absolutely crazy. But yeah, in this video, before we're rambling too much about Space ID, I made a full video on Space ID. If you look up Space ID, should you buy, something like that, you'll find it easily. You'll find my thoughts on the project. It's I think it's a decent project. I think it's a little bit undervalued, to be honest, at around 150 million. But alright, we'll see what the market does. Usually what we see is that we first get quite a big rally, and then a sell-off because of all the people participating in the launchpad think like, alright, well, now we made some decent money, we'll sell it. But right now there's still a lot of bullish momentum because there's so much volume and there's so much momentum behind the Binance Launchpad. And frankly, what I think happened is that a lot of people participated, but they did not get a lot of tokens. So what do you do then? Well, at the launch, you're going to buy more tokens. I think that's what's happening right now. Apart from that, there's also just bullish momentum in the markets. All right. So to get into the analysis, we're on the 15-minute time frame. So validity of this analysis is somewhat limited. I want you to know that. Apart from that, we also already hit my price target. Since I did the analysis, made the thumbnails and made some other videos, what I thought would happen is we would break above 50 cents and get up to that 1.618 level, which we did. We already found resistance there. So I can no longer say that. I mean, to be honest, I thought my price target was 1.618 because the 1.618 is very strong. And it also was around 55 cents. And it looks like we're somewhat respecting levels like 50, 40 cents, perhaps a little bit. It's weird levels that we're respecting right now, to be honest. It almost looks like we're respecting like 57, 47 a little bit. It's always hard when tokens have just launched to find resistance levels. But for now, our clearest resistance level is around 1.618 up here. And what we want to do, I think, is get up to, like the next logical price target would be 60 cents. So I think we should actually take this whole level as one level, between like 56 and 60 cents as one resistance level. All right, so this is our main resistance level. I think we'll actually reach into 60 cents, even if we drop down to 50 cents. As long as we're above 50 cents, we're still very bullish, I would say. But the big question is can we break above 60 cents? And I'm not too sure about that yet, because if we break above 60 cents, then we'll probably get up to the 2.618 FIB here around 67 and 70 cents, which is quite a big increase from here. And it almost seems like it's too much, to be honest. It's an increase of about another 23%. So it's not impossible, but it's quite a lot, obviously. So altogether, what I would say in terms of an analysis is I actually think it's the most likely scenario right now that we will. We have already dropped down to that level around the 382 FIB. If we drop down to 50 cents, that's totally fine as well. We're still bullish. The problem would arise if we drop down below 50 cents, but that's not what I expect. I think it's more likely that we'll get up to 60 cents. And from there, it gets interesting. If we can actually, oh, excuse me, the video is quite long. But if we can actually find resistance at 60 cents and then stay on top of 55, 56 cents, then I think we can also break above that and get up to that next level around 67 cents. But if we find resistance at 60 cents and drop down below 55 cents, then I think 60 cents is going to be the top for a little bit longer. Hopefully you can understand. If you don't, ask me the questions in the comments. I'll be back with another analysis tomorrow, I think. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day and bye.